We're going to start by crocheting 23 chain stitches. If you're not familiar with how to crochet a starting chain, I have a video linked in the description below. Because everyone's tension is different, you may need a few more or fewer chains. Fold the chain over the gift card to confirm before starting the next row. Once you've confirmed you have the right number of chains, crochet across the chain with single crochet stitches. To do this, insert your hook into the second chain from hook, and then crochet a single crochet stitch. Do this all the way across. Don't worry if the chain starts to curl a little bit. It'll probably flatten out as you add more rows. When you get to the end, chain 1 and turn, and then crochet single crochet stitches all the way across again. Do this for 15 rows. Everyone's tension is a little different, so the number of rows you will need will vary depending on how tightly you crochet. Start with around 15 rows and then place your gift card inside so there's a border of about 1 row below it and see if it fits. Remove or add any additional rows as necessary. In this example, I had to add 1 additional row in order to make the gift card fit. I'm going to skip ahead in order to save time. Once you've confirmed you have the correct number of rows, we're going to fold the two sides over like a book, and then crochet the two sides together with a single crochet stitch. To do this, stick your hook from front to back through both sides of the piece, yarn over and pull the yarn through, and then yarn over and pull through the loops on your hook. We're going to do this all the way around for 3 out of the 4 sides. I'll see you at the next step. If you'd like to add a colored border, attach the yarn to your piece by sticking your hook into the side of the piece, pulling the yarn through, and then crocheting a single crochet stitch along the border. This is what it'll look like. Next up is the Christmas tree. Chain 2. Working into the second chain from hook, crochet an increase stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Crochet an increase stitch twice. Chain 1 and turn. For the next few rows, we're going to be using the front loops only and the back loop only technique. I have videos going over these techniques slowly, linked in the description below. In the front loops only, crochet 4 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn. In the back loops only, crochet an increase stitch, 2 single crochet stitches, and an increased stitch. Chain 1 and turn. In the front loops only, crochet 6 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn. In the back loops only, crochet an increased stitch, 4 single crochet stitches, and an increased stitch. Chain 1 and turn. In the front loops only, crochet 8 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn. In the back loops only, crochet an increased stitch, 6 single crochet stitches, and an increased stitch. Chain 1 and turn. In the front loops only, crochet 10 single crochet stitches. I really like the crochet star designed by Hook by Robin, so instead of designing my own, I'm going to give you a link to her video and blog post in the description below. I crocheted mine using weight 1 yarn. To finish, sew the tree and star on. To add lights to your tree, thread yarn through the front loops. Happy holidays!